This house has both an air conditioner and a swamp cooler on the roof. Well, tenants will never use a swamp cooler and they require a lot of maintenance, so I had the water and power disconnected from the swamp cooler, and here you can see there was a pressured water line, supply line to the swamp cooler. My plumber cut it and capped the lower pipe there. So I got to patch this hole here in this hall closet. So this is the baseboard that I pulled from the 4 rooms that had carpet in them, and I'm going to clean them up, sand them, and reuse what I can. Alright, I got that hole patched in this hall closet, and I also added that support on the left there for a clothing rod, so people can hang clothes in this closet. The drain line for the kitchen sink collapsed. It's cast iron, and this is a growing problem across the country where these cast iron pipes, after about 50, 60 years, they start rusting out and collapsing. So for this drain line run, I had my plumber come through that wall, go out through the exterior wall, and connect on to a drain line that supports the washing machine. This is in the laundry room. So I need to patch up these holes here. That one on the right, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. The one on the left is drywall, and then there's a hole on the other side, the exterior side, that I need to take care of. So that slate step there is a little less than a ½ inch higher than the tile of the master bedroom. So I'm going to cut a transition piece to reduce the risk of someone tripping. So this guy here, I cut it off one of the pieces of tile, and it's sloped. So it's cut at an angle that I'll cut 2 more and I'll see those in place there.